Realtors Property Resource is one of the most innovative benefits included in your NAR membership, delivering on-the-go access to an all-encompassing real estate data platform available exclusively to realtors and offered at no additional cost. RPR can be accessed online at narrpr.com and by app on both iOS and Android. Once inside RPR, you'll have access to both residential and commercial data, investment analysis, and reports. RPR Residential covers every corner of your real estate business, from prospecting and working with buyers to listing presentations and open houses. Quickly access everything from school, tax, foreclosure, and mortgage information to demographics, mapping, flood zones, historic data, and so much more. RPR Commercial provides realtors with a central source of information to target locations and access consumer data for business sites. Quickly assess who consumers are, what they do, what they buy, and how they have fun in a particular area or surrounding a property. Why open a dry cleaners in an area that's 99% wash and wear? Why open a trendy toddler boutique surrounded by an area that's made up of senior citizens? Why place a high-tech company in a low-tech location? Now's a good time to get your account up and running. I'll guide you through the simple 3-step process. But if you have more in-depth questions, there are full tutorials available in our Learning Center at blog.narrpr.com/learning. Choose from on-demand tutorials, webinars, ebooks, and more. You'll also have access to a quick start guide from the class that can walk you through these simple steps to getting started. Let's begin by visiting narrpr.com. From the homepage, choose Create a New Account. A window will open and you'll enter your last name and email address, or you can choose to enter your last name and NRDS ID. Select Next Step and RPR will alert you that an activation email is on its way. From the activation email, select Activate My Account. You'll be redirected back to the sign-up wizard in RPR with your information auto-populated. On the second step of the wizard, confirm your first and last name. Your email populates, which is your RPR username, and you can now create a password. Last, link to your MLS or CIE information, which may also be auto-populated from your NRDS account. If you belong to more than one MLS or CIE, link the additional memberships so you can take full advantage of RPR and your MLS and CIE memberships. Choose your state from the drop-down, then choose your MLS or CIE, and enter your agent ID. If you don't belong to an MLS or CIE, let us know here. Finally, once you select Finish, you have the option to print your username and password, or you can go directly to the RPR site. First, your profile. Access your profile by clicking the sprocket icon in the upper right-hand corner. It's important to keep this updated as it populates the cover page of your RPR reports. To add your photo, click the Add Photo link. An image uploader appears. Choose a JPEG or PNG file. Crop your image here if you choose. Click OK. You can also add a logo in the same fashion. Next, fill in your name, office and broker information, phone, email, website, etc. Update and add your MLS or CIE information with your agent ID if you didn't when you created your account. If you'd like your license number to appear on your reports, add that here. If your MLS allows assistant accounts, you can add up to 3 assistant users as well. Follow the link Create New Assistant User and then enter the requested information. The account uses your assistant's email address as a login and your NAR and MLS or CIE credentials to establish the account. Your assistant's account will have the same permission as your own account and is linked to your account, which allows your assistant to search RPR, generate reports, and perform any other task on RPR on your behalf. At the bottom of the page, select the checkbox to receive our monthly newsletter, which will keep you up to speed on the latest tools and features. Remember to save changes made to your profile here. Your last step is to download the RPR app to your iOS and/or Android devices. Simply go to Google Play or the App Store, search RPR Mobile, and download to your device. Now you can access RPR anytime, any place.